Free download 3D car games are an assembly of most incredible graphics, close to reality driving physics. Are you ready to feel real excitement? Hit the road and explore 3D car games free download options that bring the thrill of racing to your fingertips. Whether it's high-speed competitions, off-road adventures, or mastering the art of drifting, you can enjoy these incredible games free of cost. Free download 3D car games are an assembly of the most incredible graphics, close to reality driving physics, and the pure adrenaline rush that these games can provoke in players. From competing through multiplayer races to single races, the best games assure a racing experience that is only possible in virtual worlds. GadInsider has compiled a list of the best 3D car games you can download and enjoy on your smartphone. Asphalt Legends Unite. Asphalt Legends Unite stands out as one of the first 3D car games with free download options for fanatically oriented arcade racing gamers who want to experience excitement. Players can unlock tons of cars and upgrade their automobiles by racing through exciting environments. Enjoy downloading free 3D car games like Asphalt Legends Unite, where users find the ultimate thrill of racing over numerous terrains, from street tracks to off-road tracks. City Racing? City Racing is another great 3D car game free download app for fans of street racing. The game has different cars and tracks set in detailed cityscapes, which offer an engaging racing experience. City Racing is a free download choice of 3D car games for those who love racing on the streets but are also a bit realistic. The game allows you to explore around the city, customizing your car and competing against highly skilled opponents. Hill Climb Racing. If you like the off-road challenges, 3D car games free download Hill Climb Racing is the right choice. The game will give a wild ride through tough terrains requiring control and strategy to overcome obstacles. With its physics-based driving mechanics and numerous unlockable vehicles, Hill Climb Racing will challenge your ability to conquer hills and tricky tracks. Extreme Car Driving Simulator. For those who love open-world exploration alongside racing, Extreme Car Driving Simulator is an experience that they will surely find exciting. This game provides the opportunity for players to drive in a vast city environment, demonstrating realistic car physics and dynamic weather conditions. 3D car games free download options like RaceMaster 3D Car Racing are perfect for those who love testing their driving skills, as they offer complete freedom and challenges. RaceMaster 3D. RaceMaster 3D is action-packed with numerous tracks and competing racing events. The 3D car games free download features detailed environments along with fast-pacing racing action that distinguishes it from its competitors. Customize your cars and compete in racing in various locations. Put your skills to the test against AI and take on other players in online matches. Rally Fury Extreme Racing. For rally racing enthusiasts, Rally Fury Extreme Racing is one of the high-class 3D car games free download option. The game has fantastic rally tracks with dirt, snow, and asphalt conditions. With realistic car handling and stunning graphics, players can participate in intense races across different environments. Rally Fury is perfect for those who want to experience the excitement of extreme racing. Real car driving. Real car driving brings a simulation experience to 3D car games, free download, and it is not quite like other arcade racing games out there. It focuses much more on the realistic simulation of driving. Players may take their cars on tour around the city or perhaps race against time to achieve missions. The game features several cars and customization, making it ideal for both realism and fun. Asphalt 8. One of the most popular free downloads in classic 3D car games is Asphalt 8. This game has continued to keep its fans enthralled for years because of its huge collection of fast cars and challenging racing tracks. Be it ramp-based air racing or drift on sharp turns, the Asphalt 8 offers an experience which no other arcade car game can. It has the best and unmatched experience for those playing car racing games all around the world. Car Racing Adventure? Car Racing Adventure is an awesome adventure game for all lovers of the thrill of high-speed races. These free download 3D car games come with difficult tracks and an interesting story plot that keeps you going and keeps you interested as you pass through various levels. Whether you are racing within time limits or completing missions to surpass your competitors, Car Racing Adventure keeps you entertained for hours. Asphalt 9 PC. Asphalt 9 PC is the desktop version of the famous mobile game, offering an even more enhanced experience. Free download 3D car games like Asphalt 9 on PC allow the player to experience high-definition graphics and ultra-responsive controls while racing through various terrains and cities. It's great for users who want to take the racing experience to the next level with superior gameplay. Car Parking Multiplayer. Car Parking Multiplayer is simply the best 3D car games free download for players in love with a more carefree driving experience. They can practice their parking here in various challenging environments. If you have multiplayer features installed, you can compete even with your friends and compete against other players to see how fast and accurately you can get your cars parked.